after a while having it, like about a year. So, you know, there's first, of course, the question, is the f4I a good bike to start on? No, it's not. For many reasons. And I can explain you why. For one, this is a 400-pound bike. Now, if you're a bigger guy, yeah, it makes sense to get a 600. I mean, yeah, it makes sense, not, but this is kind of a heavy bike. 400 to 500 pounds. I don't remember exactly how much it weighs. Another thing is that at over 8 to 10,000 RPMs, I don't remember. It's when you hit the power band. However, there's people going to say, well, I'm not going to go that fast. I'm not going to do over 100 miles an hour. Yes, you will. I don't care what you say. There's always, yeah, I'm going to one day. There's a never. And you should be on the right lane. It's a little lower than that. However, it's still tall, as you can see. So that's another bad thing about this bike for a beginner's rider. What else? Overall, should you get this bike? Yeah. I would recommend getting it when it's all stunted out, or if you want to get a stunt bike, yeah. Wow, you're cool. Don't get it like all stunted out or anything, all crashed up. Makes that you feel like never drop clean title, Craigslist ad type. So if you see that, don't get it.